Hello everyone! I hope you've mastered Python dates from our last lesson, because today we're crunching the numbers. We're exploring Python math, from built-in functions to the powerful math module. Whether you're calculating square roots or finding the absolute value, this session will give you the tools to handle numerical tasks with precision. Let's dive in. First, let's look at built-in functions. The min and max functions are incredibly handy for finding the lowest or highest values in a group of numbers. In this example, we're finding 5 and 25 instantly. It's a simple yet powerful way to scan through your data. Now let's look at the absolute value and powers. The abs function returns the positive distance from 0, so negative 7.25 becomes positive 7.25, and pow allows us to raise a number to a power, like 4 to the power of 3, which equals 64. These built-ins are great, but for more complex operations, we need the math module. To extend our capabilities, we import the math module. Once imported, we can use methods like .sqrt to find the square root of a number. Here, the square root of 64 gives us 8.0. Now, let's look at how we handle rounding using ceil and floor. The math.ceil method always rounds a number up to its nearest integer, while math.floor rounds it down. So, 1.4 becomes 2 with ceil and 1 with floor. Finally, the math module gives us access to mathematical constants like pi. The math.pi constant returns the precise value of pi. This is essential for any calculations involving circles or advanced geometry in your code. You've seen the functions, now it's time to put them into practice. Open PyCharm on your computer. I want you to import the math module, calculate the square root of 144, and then find the floor value of the result. I'll give you 10 seconds. Go! Ready? Let's check your math. First, we import math and find the square root of 144, which is 12. The floor of 12 is still 12. Excellent work if you got that right. That's it for Python math. Next, we'll be exploring Python JSON, so don't miss it. In the meantime, go back to previous chapters and keep practicing in your free time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on TikTok at @QA Online Academy, and visit our official website. We love your feedback, so let us know what you think. Happy coding!